Whether you're doing maintenance or full repairs to your grandfather clock, you will likely need to take the movement out beforehand. Problem is, there's more than one method to removing the movement depending on which clock you have. In this video, we will walk you through the most common method so you'll be prepared to maintenance your clock correctly. No matter what kind of grandfather clock you have, you will need to remove the pendulum and the weights before accessing the movement. This is pretty straightforward. Just unhook the pendulum and the weights and set them aside. We highly recommend you use gloves for this process, otherwise you'll likely tarnish the brass. The first variation here requires the movement to come out the front of the clock. Remove the hands by unscrewing the hand bushing and carefully sliding the hands off the post. The dial will need to come off next. Sometimes the dial is screwed to the cabinet, sometimes it is attached to the movement, and sometimes it's attached to both. Examine your clock carefully to determine which style you have. Remove the mounting board screws and take the movement out the front of the clock. A quick note, if you have a tubular clock, the mounting board needs to come out with the hammers. Removing the movement from the mounting board can result in the hammer tension being messed up. The second variation has the movement attached to the dial via dial pins with access through the back of the clock. If you can easily reach and remove the dial pins while the movement is in the clock, you can avoid removing the mounting board and the dial. If you can't easily reach the dial pins, you will have to remove the mounting board and the dial. After that, you will need to remove the mounting screws to take the movement off the board. The third variation has the movement coming out the front of the clock similarly to the first one. As with the other two, you will need to remove the hands first. Locate the 4 dial levers and move them away from the dial posts. The dial should come right out as long as it isn't additionally screwed into the cabinet. Finally, remove the mounting screws and the movement will come free. Keep in mind, there are many styles and odd variations out there when it comes to grandfather clocks. This video is by no means exhaustive, but hopefully you are now better prepared to maintenance your clock. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment down below. For finished clocks, replacement parts, and movements, head over to emperorclock.com.